All right, so artificial intelligence makes up around $35.9 billion in the crypto space. And if you're comparing that to the likes of NVIDIA, the largest market cap company in the world, it is extremely, extremely small. NVIDIA lost hundreds of billions of dollars in market cap in a single day. Meanwhile, the whole entire crypto AI sector is just around a $35.9 billion market cap. And if you're looking at what's going on with regulations in the US and more institutions coming into crypto, I would say that this is by far the most underrated and undervalued sector in all of crypto, because yeah, we see meme coins from time to time rally, but simply put, AI is just the best and most underrated sector in my opinion. And so I've been investing in a lot of different AI projects recently, one of which is called AdRise. AdRise, symbol R-I-S-E, just Rise, is currently around a $14 to $15 million market cap, and it launched earlier in the day on January 28th. So it just launched the other day, and it's up over 593% in the last 24 hours. So right now at a $14 million market cap, it has pretty decent liquidity, right around $530,000. And if you're looking at it, it's already started to see a lot of traction as well on social media. They've already submitted their request to list on CoinGecko, submitted their request to list on CoinMarketCap, and this project has only been listed for less than 24 hours, but it's already seen pretty good market cap numbers, pretty good liquidity numbers, making some traction on social media, and is also followed by some of the biggest names in the crypto space. We can see that Blackbeard and Mersect. You can see that there's just a lot of people already behind this project and talking about it and following it. And so the reason why I invest in this AI project in particular is because it's not just a project that says it's AI, because a lot of projects say, oh, we use artificial intelligence. Yes, we're an AI project, but they don't actually do it. AdRise is the first AI to replace marketing agencies. And so this is something that has real utility and real people can use. And there's already a wait list to go ahead and use their product. So it says, lay back and let AI audit your campaigns, boost your SEO, and generate social media posts that drive engagement. Because right now, marketing takes forever. It's expensive. It doesn't always work. And so their AI solutions solve that. So with AdRise, it does more by like analyzing ad campaigns on multiple platforms. It optimizes them. And after, it's able to scale and increase sales and conversions by knowing which ads are doing the best. So this is something that is just very useful and has a lot of utility, which is why I personally like it. They say traditional marketing agencies are often just not it. And with AdRise, you can see they are going to be all about handling your marketing actions for you, making things easier, quicker, and cheaper. And you can see some things that they're doing, like generate engaging social media posts, audit your AD campaigns, optimize your website for SEO. And it says integrating these three critical marketing functions into their one solution is what really is separating them from everything else out there. So you see the way it works. They break it down into steps. Step one, as it says, generating engaging social media posts. So it says mix great copywriting with intelligent visual design, no garbled AI text, perfectly legible and editable, excellent for images without captions. That's the first. Second, it says is SEO audit and optimization. So it says provides a complete picture of your search engine optimization opportunities and ways to fine tune it to leap ahead of the competition. So it shows you like, look, your overall score, technical SEO, content optimization, mobile responsiveness, because all of these things matter. Like how your website looks on a desktop, how it looks on mobile, like all of these things matter, and they do this just easily for you. And three, it says is audit your AD campaigns, auditing your performance across Google ads, Facebook ads, and more to give you insights you can actually use to 10x your reach. So it's auditing your ad campaigns for you, and it just looks at clicks, impressions. It looks at AI recommendations. For example, it says here, just an example, focus on users aged 25 to 34 in urban areas. They have a 20% higher CTR, and that would mean that, you know, they're clicking 20% more of the time than other people. So they also show you how shift funds from campaign B to campaign A for better ROI. Like this is a fully fledged product that is going to be extremely useful, as I don't think social media marketing is going away anytime soon, and AdRise AdRise is simply going about making it more efficient, utilizing artificial intelligence and integrating it directly into different ad campaigns. So you can see it says there's been over 20,000 satisfied users, over 100 million impressions, 10,000 social media posts made, and they do have pricing and different features that you can already see. Like their pricing, they say that they're cheaper, and they definitely are in terms of just teams. $29 per month for small teams, $99 per month for growing businesses, and custom pricing for large enterprises. So this project is not just an AI crypto. Like I said earlier, there's countless hundreds, thousands even of AI cryptos out there that claim to use artificial intelligence but have nothing to do with it at all. They just put in their name. And AdRise, they are actually utilizing artificial intelligence to build a real company in the tech world. And so they're utilizing crypto as well. So this is something that I really like because they're building an actual business and have a token as well. I like those types of projects which aren't just random tokens and have no meaning behind them. I like how AdRise is building a real working product, attracting customers and trying to get that monthly consistent revenue as well, which is just what you like to see for the crypto space. So if we're just looking at right now, we're looking at AI agents, we're looking at AI cryptos. This is just a hot sector in the market. And so capitalizing on what's going on with AdRise is something that I think is definitely worth taking advantage of. I think that's why we've already seen this project up nearly 600% in just for the first 24 hours of it launching. It has around a $14 million market cap. I'm expecting a lot more to come for this project, but right now, this is a project that I have invested in. I am up pretty significantly, but I don't plan on selling anytime soon.